Adonai Adonenu Madir Shimcha Bechol haaretz Asher tena'odcha Al hashamayim Adonai.
Would you ladies like to say hi?
Hi, I got some lotion.
Oh, good.
Put it over here.
You know, I don't worship man, I worship God. So, okay.
Where's the coats? I can come in? One can come in?
It's up to him, he said.
Yeah, one just came in.
You got to stand farther back. Okay, put the coat on. Let me see you. Oh, that's nice. You got it here, right?
Yep, just got it.
Good, good. Okay, honey, thank you.
I think there's a meal, isn't there? Yeah, she said 11. Yes. Right.
Picture of the clothes and stuff, so. Wow, we got so much.
I'll ask him if you
Oh, those were good, sweeties.
Wow, that looks nice.
so elegant.
Don't tell me that.
That's nice, that's nice. This man is married and there's this woman there, and keep your hands off, right? Good. Wow.
I don't know. I just so you know.
You're right here next to mommy. You're too big? Oh my god, Haley, you see your tears. Oh, you see how thing in my teeth. I knew that would make you laugh. Okay, let's.
What do you have to say? Say hi, Ann. Hi. You look pretty in that coat.
So I had to like.
Hi, I am sitting here today with some wonderful underground angels. And we are here and we are at the outreach at 1910 Fall Street. And these kids have worked their butts off. And I am so proud of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them in December to someplace really cool where they can maybe, I don't know, Chuck E. Cheese? I don't know. But I want you to if you want to donate to help these kids, go someplace, please do. And if not, just pray for us. But think of them, how good they are, because you know something, we couldn't do this outreach. Sorry, babe. We couldn't do this outreach without kids that help us. And I really appreciate them, and I love every one of them. And thank you. Join us next time. Our next outreach is going to be on Friday, the 21st at 17th and Pierce. And then on Saturday, we're going to be at the Res. And then on November 29th, we're going to be back here at 1910. So join us and come say hi to the kids. And thank you. Bye. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Adonai